Hello friends, Vladimir Putin has invited PM Narendra Modi to home. So friends, when PM Narendra Modi went to Moscow in Russia, he also visited the house of Vladimir Putin. Friends, I went to PM Narendra Modi's house by car, and when I got down from the car, Vladimir Putin himself was standing there in front of his house to welcome PM Narendra Modi. Friends, PM Narendra Modi was welcomed in a very grand manner by Vladimir Putin at his home. Friends, this meeting of PM Narendra Modi and Vladimir Putin is very amazing because the attention of the whole world was on them. Friends went inside the house with PM Narendra Modi, and there they had tea and fruits and breakfast. After PM Narendra Modi had a conversation with them. Friends, PM Narendra Modi has also been invited for a special dinner in Vladimir Putin. In the evening, a program of dinner by PM Narendra Modi has been arranged specially from them. Friends, in a Vladimir Putin, PM Narendra Modi set an electric car in the evening, and he also made PM Narendra Modi sit and drove the car together, and they had conversation there. He went about in a open air, and friends, he went for a stroll. Friends, this period there was a lot of discussion about Vladimir Putin and Narendra Modi in a blog, and they also discuss many topics.